Hey, how's it going, Facebook? Live at 5. Josh Greason tonight in the house from Forex Bootcamp. Just had some thoughts on my mind, and you probably saw in the title of this video here. It's how to avoid being a jack of all trades and the master of none. I don't know if you've ever heard that saying, but it means you know a little bit about a lot of things, but not a lot about any one thing. And so that's kind of the gist of that, how to avoid that being the situation. And so my experience with this current opportunity that I've been in was that, I got into iMarkets Live, and honestly, there's so much to do, so much stuff in there, so many ways to make money, so many strategies, so many tools that, like, it could be overwhelming if you don't have a plan, right? So I didn't have a super duper great plan when I came in. Thankfully, I've developed one now for my team to just kind of, help avoid that situation and kind of give you a little exposure to all of them, help you find out which one you like and works best for your life, and just stick to those. But when I started, it was so much to do and so many opportunities. I was like, I just trying them all. I had what one of our mentors calls FOMO, the fear of missing out, right? So you're trying this and you're trying that. You're trying snapback strategy, cryptos, Forex, 24/7. You're like doing stuff, entered in too many trades, just kind of like wanting to make all the money. And it's just kind of funny. But you don't really get good at any one thing that way. And so you're just kind of like half mediocre at it, and your results are mixed. And so I've had someone challenge me recently to narrow that focus, somebody who's really doing well with trading. And so I started doing that, and we were developing a trading plan. And so I'm just here to encourage you if you're trading, and this applies to any area of life. So maybe you're not a trader, you're just watching this video because we're friends or whatever have you, but this applies to any area of life. Develop a plan and really kind of narrow down your focus in life and become a master of something, right? Rather than I've always loved exploring new things, and I like variety, and so I have a lot of weird, strange talents and hobbies and background and different things like that. But in this particular instance, especially when it comes to making money and how you're going to make your living the rest of your life, you really got to master like one or two things. Just get really, really good at those, rather than being kind of so-so at a lot of different things. And so that's my encouragement to you, especially traders out there, but anyone that applies to. Find out, I'll just speak to traders, find out which currency pairs you like. What time frame are those currency pairs popping the most? If you're going to trade during the daytime, pick pairs that are popping during the daytime. If you're going to, just learn 2, 3, 4 currencies tops and just be a master of those things. Know where all the lines of support and resistance are. Know where things are going to bounce. Know how that thing behaves. Know a strategy inside out and backwards. If you're like a snapback strategy fanatic, just know that thing and crush it. Or if you're going to do sheriff strategy on the web analyzer or whatever, David's 4 rules, or we have so many strategies. Just find the one that floats your boat. Find the one that makes you the most cash and nail that thing. Be the master of it so that you can share that and help other people master it too. And so that's my encouragement for the day. Get really good at one thing, focus, and you'll find that I believe your income will increase dramatically the more you master one thing. So that's my encouragement for today. If you want any more information about this, or if you want to just leave some comments, hey, leave some comments. Somebody says, have you been peeping through my window? I need to focus more on one thing. Haha, what's up, Tony? No, I haven't been peeping through your window, but thanks for the comments. Anybody else want to leave some comments? Feel free. If you think this applies to someone you know or be a blessing to somebody, feel free to share it. If you want to know more about the particular opportunity that I'm involved with, hit me up for that, and I'll be happy to share. All right, have a good night, everybody.